What is going on, everyone? It's Will Mitchell here. Today I'm joined by Elliot Budd, a legendary property manager, but also a legendary spear fisherman. You've seen my guy out on the boat with us many times, and today he's going to tell us a little bit about what the current rental situation is on the island of Ambergris Caye, and more specifically in Mahogany Bay. Elliot, thanks for jumping on with me, man.
Absolutely, Will. It's a pleasure.
So let's start off just with like a little bit of the current status of how the rentals are doing in Mahogany Bay. I know that you're taking on quite a few right now and you only have a few going at the moment, but how are those ones performing?
Well, so far the ones that we currently have fully licensed, they've been doing really well for 2023.
Yep.
I'm actually really excited to see, how much more we can do with the different builds that are coming along as well. So, we're here to kind of talk about the builds that we've seen have worked the best.
Yep.
When it comes to rental revenue.
Yep.
So far we've noticed that some builds that have maybe one bathroom, they don't do as well as the ones that have more than one bathroom.
So definitely go with it. More
correct.
Than one bathroom.
Yeah, and also a pool.
Sense.
I mean, the whole idea of somebody coming to stay at a vacation rental is to have privacy. So if you have a private pool, that just makes everything, that's the cherry on top. Exactly.
So the so the rooms with pools that have multiple bathrooms as well. We've talked about the bedroom count, but bathroom count, that's one we haven't really talked about.
Correct.
That's good
I'd
stuff.
I'd say what you want to do is you want to have at least one bathroom per bedroom.
Yep.
A half bathroom works, if you have something in the hallway that it's easy to access for people.
Yep.
If you have maybe, let's say we have a pull-out couch or we have a Murphy bed, that's something that you want, bathroom access to, where you don't have to go through a bedroom to get to it.
For sure.
Right. So that's a huge thing that we've been noticing.
For sure.
But other than that, I mean, we've had a really exciting 2023 so far. And like I said, new builds are coming up, so I'm excited to see how well those do. And also, I mean, the big reveal is the pool club, right?
The pool club's gonna be crazy. Man.
Yeah,
and also that's the new builds too. Like a lot of the new plans, they're over multiple lots, they're bigger homes, they're private pools, and that is gonna crush it in this market, as you know. Yeah. But yeah, the pool club is gonna be huge, man.
Yeah, I mean,
right now you're renting without any kind of pool area for people to utilize. When that comes in, how do you think that'll impact the rentals?
That'll be huge. I mean, because it's something that, especially since this is still a development, we do have construction going on. Yep. So it's kind of like an escape for guests, right?
For sure.
If they're at a property and they are hearing some construction, which they're aware is going on, they have an escape. So they can go to the pool club where there's not gonna be noise, they can enjoy the ambience, the restaurant, the bar. So it's definitely a huge up on the game.
Yeah, I mean, you guys, you're gonna be seeing me at that pool club every day. So if you do want to find me when the pool club is done, you know where to find me. Let's keep moving through this here, Elliot. We've talked a little bit about how the rentals are performing, pool club. What about the hotel tax license situation? We've had a lot of questions about that. Yeah. What does that process look like, and what's the kind of time frame there?
Sure. So far we've actually been able to manage a lot of inspections ahead of the completion of the build. So that's been a big one. So we've been able to get it down to about 3 to 4 months. Okay. That's actually very accurate. We've been able to complete about almost 10 licenses now. Yep. And that's the time frame. Okay, great. So what I actually recommend that owners do is to get ahead on the Chapter 250 local company. So that's something that, before your build is complete, I'd say about 3 to 4 months out. Yep. Please let me know, send me an email, and I'll get you guys in touch with the person that can help you get all of that done, because that can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. So if we get that done, I can move a lot quicker on the license.
Yeah, just on the timing of everything. So that's good info. I mean, you don't have to do it at the start of your build, but when they're about 3 to 4 months, that's
I'd say that would be the safe bet. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can actually get some inspections done about a month before the build is complete. Yeah. Once we meet the requirements of fire department, health department, and also central building authority.
Cool, man. Yeah. Okay, well, I mean, if you guys follow the channel, you've seen Elliot featured on here before. He does all the management in Mahogany Bay. One thing I do want to add in, if you're coming to Belize and you're trying to decide where you want to book, we will link the booking for these homes. Or if you're thinking about investing in Mahogany Bay, you should stay in one of these beautiful homes, get a feel for exactly what it's like, and we will link that below so Elliot and his team can help get you guys set up out here. But Elliot, thank you again for doing this, man.
Absolutely, Will.
Appreciate it.
It's always a pleasure.
And by the way, just throw in there that, I catch bigger fish than this guy, by the way. That's a lie. I love you guys. We'll see you in the next video.